Hello YouTube, today I'll be making a tutorial on file I/O within Ready to Program Java. So essentially file I/O is the interaction between the actual computer through text files, reading from text files, reading from any file in fact, and just using it within your programs. So in order to access the classes required for file I/O, you have to use this command, which imports the library for I/O, which is input output. So you always need this command at the top of your code. So let's begin by just doing a simple program that will output a piece of code with a specific file name. So it'll output not code, but it'll output a text file, and I'm going to save Hello World class on my desktop so it'll be easier to read. So we're just going to save this. No, I'm just going to save this on my desktop as hello world.java, and inside here we're going to start coding. So whenever you're handling with IOs, you always need to have a try catch with IOException. So in case something occurs when outputting, for example, if it's read only, you could do throws IOException here and here, but that would not be required. And if you watch my previous tutorial, it explains try catches in Java. So let's just try open curly brace, close curly brace, and then at the bottom we do catch IOException E. I'm going to be going over some more specific I/O exceptions later on in the tutorial. You can also see my other video. So in order to actually output the file, we're going to have to do what's called a print writer. So do print writer out equals new print writer, new file writer, and then we're just going to say hello world.txt. So basically what this does is it creates a reference to the print writer class. You make it with the keyword new, which creates an object print writer. We specify that it's a file writer, and in here we have the parameter that specifies the name of the file. And when we're done, we're just going to do out.close, which will close the stream and output the file. So now if you click run and finish, and now we head over to our desktop, and we have something hello world.txt, and there's nothing inside of it. So now let's actually add something. Inside here we're going to do out.println and say hello world. So pretty much this out references the print writer from here, and that's how it works. You can change this to out2, and then you need to change all of them. You can change this to anything you want, it's just a normal variable. So this will output hello world to the desktop. So let's go back, hello world, and it says hello world. Now similarly we can make input. So in order to do input we would do Bufferedreader in equals new Bufferedreader, open bracket new file reader, and then say hello world.txt, and then we're going to say c.println, so let's output what's inside the text file, c.println, and then we're going to do in.readline. So basically what this does is it outputs whatever it's reading from the Bufferedreader. Now we click run, it'll output hello world. Now let's change the contents here into hi. It'll output hi because it closes. If you forget to include the out.close, the file will not change, it'll just be null because the file will be empty, because every single time you make a new print writer it erases the previous file. When you do input, that does not happen meanwhile. If we do just that, nothing will be outputted, and if we include a new message in here, new message and say error, what will happen? An error will occur. Now if you want something more specific, you can actually catch more specific items above the IO exception. So let's say for example file not found exception E. Now this will create a new message, and now let's be a little bit more specific, and let's say the file was not found. Run. The file was not found. So yeah, this is basically how it works. Now if we do hello world.text, the file will be found and it'll output hi. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If it helped, please click the like button below. Thanks for watching. Thanks very much to those who comment on my videos. It is greatly appreciated. So comment below any ideas you have for further tutorials. Thanks for watching.